Hello to you all and welcome you all back to Home Seed Food channel for another recipe. Today we are going to prepare mashed plantains, that is eto that we call in Ghana. You need the green and then the ripe plantain. Yeah, you're not gonna use the overripe plantain. God bless you all double for all the support. And at this point you're going to peel the skin off and then you cut it into two or into small size. So I'm done peeling the skin and then cutting into two. Then I'm adding some water to give it a quick wash and then cook it. Then I'm cooking the plantain, that's the green plantain first, that's the red plantain. I'll set it aside when it boils for 10 minutes, then I'll add it. I do that not to overcook the red plantain. It has been 10 minutes and I'm now adding the red plantains. Then I'll add some eggs, pepper, and then salted fish, that is a cod. I'm taking the eggs out, it's ready. Then I'll take the pepper to check if it's ready for us to set the fire off and then go mash these plantains. I'm frying salted fish. In Ghana we do this on an open fire. Yeah, we grill this on open fire and I don't have it, so let's do it in the cast iron. It's done, and at this point I'm melting the palm oil. Then I'll add some sliced onion and then we will start mashing these plantains. So I'm grinding the onion and then the pepper. I have half onion chopped. And I'm adding some garlic. It is optional. Then add your peanut butter. You can add the roasted one, but this one too is easy. Then you grind everything. So I'm going to set some aside because the asanka is too small to mash this plantain. So when we mash half, then you do the other half. So the grinding part or the asanka was too small for me. Then I transfer it here. Then make sure you mix and combine everything. Then right now you go ahead and add your palm oil to color that you want. Then you are ready to serve this out. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like this video, share with your loved ones, subscribe to this channel if today is your first time. Thank you for watching today's recipe. God bless you all. Serve this food with your favorite veggies or anything you want to add. I have some green onion, then some roasted peanut, the eggs, then the okra. Yeah, that's what my mom loved to do. I don't know why she loved to do, but it tastes good with it. okra. Thank you all.